Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
When we are traveling every part of the world, and the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all over the world. You will see it in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef? Yeah, it's not good too. Why suddenly you ban? You cannot force. It's your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat beef. It's your choice. It should not happen. I will stand firmly. Here will not happen. As far as Basun Morris is alive, I'll not ban. This is an independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever we like. Eat, enjoy. Christmas is coming now. We enjoy Christmas. Eat everything. New Year is coming. Eat everything. No restriction. Let us enjoy. Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. You see, I'm here today as a BJP Sunbor. So my BJP style of function is different. So in Assam, the style of functioning is different. Here is a BJP Sunbor. I prepared already to send my message to the center. A copy I'll be giving to you. I'll send to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that we feel bad. We feel so sorry. Should not do all these things. You see? We have the law. We restrict the criminal, but in terms of eatable things, they should not restrict.